right, good morning. It is Monday, April the 27th, 2026. I hope everyone had a nice weekend. My family, we were up in, for my daughter's kind of end of season, or the last soccer tournament of the year, up in Myrtle Beach. So the girls did really well. Ended up losing a heartbreaker kind of in the semifinals, 4-3. But yeah, my daughter had just an excellent tournament, a really pretty goal. Also set a couple teammates up with some really nice plays. So that was fun. My younger boys were obviously along for the ride as well, although they cared far more about the beach and the hotel pool than big sister soccer games. So everyone had a good time. Really fun weekend. We hope that you enjoyed yours as well. Just a quick housekeeping item. Hopefully this looks somewhat familiar. This got mailed out I think last week. So just a heads up, our Client Appreciation Memorial Day event at James Island County Park. Again, just it's been a good time. Just a very informal event. Bring your kids, bring your grandkids. Come eat some good pizza, hang out for a bit. They got the little water area that again, the kids, grandkids can splash around there. Mine will probably be causing problems there also. So if you could do us a favor, an RSVP sooner rather than later helps us communicate with Coastal Crust Pizza on how much food they should bring. So hoping to see many of you there on Memorial Day. All right. Looking at markets last week, relatively quiet week for markets last week. Most benchmarks moving a little bit higher. Oil's also a bit elevated, although probabilities, again, we talked about the futures market for oil, how just probabilities are pointing toward a peace deal at some point. You see that through various financial markets. That's certainly the base case scenario at the moment. The market may have been trading a bit more on domestic fundamentals last week. Earnings season has been very strong. Okay, so the companies that have reported earnings, it's really impressive thus far. Last week we also received retail sales for the month of March that were better than expected as well. I read something from an economist that suggests, the new tax bill, on average, has really helped much of the middle class, right? So, the bipartisan Congressional Budget Office suggested that tax refunds could be $150 billion higher this year. All right, so $150 billion more of tax refunds this year, much to the middle class. Those refunds are coming. So could that be a reason? Some of the resilience we're seeing with consumer spending, which is obviously flows through to earnings, the corporate earnings that we've seen that have been really strong. At the end of the day, that's what stocks are, right? Future cash flows, profits of those businesses. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Time will tell. But this week we have a Fed meeting. Widely expected that interest rates are not moving. We'll talk about the new Fed nominee. So Walsh could be coming in before the next Fed meeting, but I'll talk about that in another Monday video. But with that being said, questions, comments, concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team, and we hope everyone has a great week. Thanks.